Hi everyone, this is Emmanuel Wandera from WIFMall. WIFMall is our e-commerce platform, but is a product of WIF Company Uganda Limited. We are a software company. We do software developments, software integrations, as well as e-commerce, selling physical goods. So basically, today I'm going to be taking you through a new product that we have, or something you have been doing, but on a lower, let's say less scale. So people have been able to purchase for physical products from our platform, and now we are launching digital products. What are digital products? Let's just take an example. Someone may be an author for books, magazines. You may be a software developer. Now we are also selling digital products such as softwares on our platform. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking you through what we call some of the digital products that we have or that can be sold on our platform. Now, this is how WIFMall looks like. So when you're on the site, you'll see the physical products which are available, but as well as the digital products are also now available on our platform. For example, we can see we have QuickBooks, we can have any other systems sold through our platform. Now, how do you purchase a product, and how are you able to download your product and go ahead and do other things and do maybe installations, configurations? So we are going to go through the process of purchasing a product. Let's say we are going to process of purchasing QuickBooks Desktop from WIFMall, and you can be able to install on your machine or your machines in the office. This is how the platform looks like. So I'm going to go to login at the extreme right. So on the login, I'm going to sign in using, I'm going to log in using Google. I'm going to take you through one of our test accounts. So this is how your dashboard looks like when you are in WIFMall. If you have money in your wallet, the balance will be indicated here. We have a dashboard which shows the purchase history, the downloads. Now, if you purchase something and it is a digital product, you'll always find it under downloads and this section. You can get your refund requests if you make one. You can follow sellers. Basically, this is how our dashboard looks like. Your dashboard, you the user, you the client who is looking for something, who is purchasing something. Now, let's say I want to purchase QuickBooks. Maybe I can search. So when I search for QuickBooks, I can see QuickBooks Premier Accountant. Let's click on it. Now, this is the price. By default is in Ugandan shillings, but in case you are conversant with your currency, feel free to adjust this. At the right hand side or left hand side of the screen on top here, we have the currencies. So you are able to switch to any other currency. If you want euros, you're going to click on euros and you'll be able to switch from Ugandan shillings to euros. So something you're conversant with. If you want dollars, you can go ahead and switch to US dollars, and this is the equivalent. Now you go ahead and do whatever you feel like. So when you switch this to dollars, all items on the platform for you will now have the dollar currency because it is what you have set. Everything will be in dollars for you. Now, to be able to buy this item, when you're logged in, you click on add to cart or buy now. Add to cart is used when you're going to buy more than one, or you can use it when you're buying one, or you can use it when you're going to make multiple selections. So if you click on add to cart, it will show it has been added to cart, and if you want to add others, you can go ahead and add them. Proceed or you proceed to checkout. So let's proceed to checkout. Now you're going to see something like this. This is your figure. Okay, click on continue shopping, continue shipping. It is a digital product. You can go ahead and if it is your first time, you'll have no address here. Feel free to click on the plus button and then you can specify your details. You can specify your details and you save. Okay, if you have one, you just select this and click on continue to delivery. This is QuickBooks. Click to continue to payment. Now it is a digital product, so all payments are prepaid. If you have your wallet balance, you'll see it here and you can use it. So I have, which is insufficient, so I will click on agree terms, then click on complete order. Now this will redirect you to the payments page where you're supposed to go ahead and make your payments. Okay, it will redirect you to the payments page where you can now go ahead and make your payments. You can make payments using mobile money if you're in Uganda, or you can make payments using Visa cards. So this cuts across the globe. You can make your payment using your card details. Enter the number, expiry, and the CVV. So once you're done with this, you'll be able to receive, you'll complete your order and you'll be able to receive your download or the item purchased in your downloads. Now I'm going to go to my dashboard. In your dashboard, when you check on downloads, you'll be able to see all the purchases you have previously made. Currently I have 5 purchases, so you can always download this at any time of your convenience. You'll find the setup there and the installation guidelines on how to install this. So for this, you're going to get a download, a file which is like this. where you can now go ahead and extract on your machine. After extracting on your machine, you can now go ahead and do the installations. So I'm going to sit here, I'm going to double click on it and do the installation. We are going to do it together here. It doesn't matter whether the internet is on or it is not on. This setup is genuine and can work either on Wi-Fi or either on Ethernet or without internet. So the payment you saw this side, it is a one-off payment. You pay once and you just smoothly use the application. It is a one-off payment. Okay, so as this one is installing, it is a one-off payment. You can go through the details here and also check similar or other digital products that are available on our platform. Now, this version of QuickBooks works globally. Does not work in Uganda alone. It works in all countries. So feel free to make your purchases. I'm going to install this and remove this. So our QuickBooks is being installed on a computer. This very QuickBooks can run on a network, meaning for big organizations with more than one accountant, you are also able to use the same QuickBooks, where the clients will be accessing information from your server. Basically, it means you install on the server, then you network the application to the client's machine such that what is done at the server or what is done on one accountant's machine, the other accountant can also be able to access the same information as long as the accountant is having permission to read or to access that information for the other party. So once they have that, then which means they are able to access. So it is going to take a bit some time, but as it is installing, I'm going to take this opportunity to encourage you, followers, encourage you to utilize the WIFMall platform for genuinity. Yeah, we are verified by Flutterwave to receive payments across various countries. On our platform, we go ahead and support so many currencies for you. You can use any currency you're conversant with to make a purchase. We also have a section for multi-vendors, so various vendors feel free to sign up as well. Come and list your products, but after signing up, you first have to go through a verification process from our team, and we ensure that whatever you're going to be listing on our platform is genuine and real. And each time you make an upload of anything, it will have to first go under preview or review on our side. So each single item listed has to be reviewed. If it in any way it compromises with the standards set for our clients, then we are sorry, but such will always be rejected. Yeah, but now back to this QuickBooks. All the accounting features you expect in it are there. I'm going to work with you. In the same way, we go ahead and do integrations with QuickBooks. So, in whichever country you are, and probably you're looking for someone who can help you integrate this QuickBooks to some other application, also feel free to contact us and we shall take up the assignment. We can integrate this QuickBooks to any other applications. We do the integration will be in Java or C#, but we are basically able. As for you clients who are in Uganda and you're VAT registered, you realize the government asked you to go ahead and integrate your various accounting systems with Uganda Revenue Authority invoicing system, which is called IFRIS. Among the digital products here, as we shall be going through one by one, we also have an API which connects with IFRIS, and so you can easily utilize it. You have any custom system that you feel like you want to integrate, feel free to communicate and we shall discuss the details. So for now, we are waiting as QuickBooks is installing. Yeah, it takes quite some time, and now it has finished. Okay, so after QuickBooks has completed installation, what we do, we copy these FRAC files and we take them to the installation path. So QuickBooks always installs in 32. It is Intuit. It is 2021, 14th May. I can see this is the one. So we go ahead and paste these files here and replace whatever files are there, whatever matching files we find in the destination. Now, once that is done, we can go ahead and open QuickBooks. Let's wait for it. It is launching. as you can witness. Good. Now our QuickBooks has installed. So after installation like this, you will come to Hope, then you come to Manage My License, and you click on Change My License Number. So at that point, you're supposed to do an installation. You're supposed to change the license number, because the default one, let's say we have installed, we have set everything okay, and we leave it at this point, it will run for 5 days and you'll be locked out until you change your license number. So when you purchase, you will get your license number, which will appear in the file like this. Okay, so you now come to this, you open the readme file, get a license number from this file and put here, then you click on next and you complete. The moment that is done, your installation will be complete. As you can realize, QuickBooks UK, they stopped supporting QuickBooks Desktop, and so they are trying to encourage people to shift to QuickBooks Online. Yeah, so we also advise our clients, after doing the installations, you've changed your license, to turn off automatic updates. So you will come to update QuickBooks Desktop, you come to Hope, update QuickBooks Desktop, you come to options and you turn this off, you put it to no, and you do save. This QuickBooks supports multi-currency. You can come to file, you will come to, okay, some fields are not yet active because we have no company file. To create a company file, we'll click on any option from here. I can decide and say open an existing one. So I can create a new one, click on create. If you want express or you want detailed, so if you want express detailed, you click. If you want express, you also go ahead and click on express, and now you enter a few things here. Your industry, maybe it is technology, you pick from what you have on the list. You enter your details of your company, you enter the company name here, everything you specify, then you step by step until you complete. So this QuickBooks is available at WIF Mall. It is very genuine, and we provide 1 month remote support after the purchase. And in case you're having any issues regarding installation after the purchase, you can as well communicate to us through email, and we reach out to you, and then we are able to guide you on what is necessary. For any inquiries, you can use this number It is on WhatsApp, or you can email us on this, and you will receive a response. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Support us, become partner, do whatever it takes. If you have any inquiry before making a purchase, you can submit a query here, or if you're on a small phone, if you're on a phone, feel free to use the messenger chat. Yeah, messenger chat will pop up. Feel free to use it and make your inquiries. Otherwise, we are much available to work with you. We are much available to support you, your business, in whatever ways you feel like we are able to. I remain Emmanuel Wandera from Wif Mall, a product of Wif Company Uganda Limited. Thank you.